Guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin ay isang personal loan coming from HSBC Bank. Yan. So, anong meron dito sa personal loan with HSBC? Well, may ina-advertise kasi sila na nasa around 0.65% ang monthly add-on interest rate. Meaning, wala pang 1% ang monthly add-on interest sa personal loan. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung magkano ang per annum yan, and ano ang requirement at magkano mautang, well, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here on my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron akong experience. Ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so si HSBC Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation, yan, HSBC. Well, nag-offer sila previously ng savings account, credit card, and home loan, and yan, and personal loan. Yan. So, nabigyan ako ng credit card, dalawang credit card from HSBC, isang classic and then gold. And then eventually, na-merge yun, naging gold na lang. Ang head office ni HSBC ay sa Makati, but meron din naman silang mga branches scattered all over the Philippines. However, if HSBC client ka before on their banking savings nila, na-transfer na yung mga account sa HSBC Philippines. So, sila na yung nagmamanage ngayon. Okay, so personal loan, yun ang pag-usapan natin for today. Before that, kailangan muna nating malaman kung ano ba yung ina-advertise ni HSBC sa kanyang website about personal loan. Okay, ayan. So, sabi dito, HSBC personal loan. Turn your house into the home of your dreams. Simply apply for a HSBC personal loan installment loan. So, gagamitin mo lang daw sa bahay. Yun ba sabi niya? As low as 0.65% add-on rate per month. O, diba? Yun yung pinakamababa nila. 0.065%. Features and benefit. So, sabi dito, fast approval. Wow. Find out if your loan has been approved in 5 working days after submitting your complete application documents. Parang hindi naman fast kasi bakit yung ibang banks na nagpapa-personal loan hindi naman ganun kabagal or meron mas mabilis. Yun na ba yung fast para kay HSBC? Next, personalized term. You can choose to repay your loan in 6, 12, 18, 24, and 36 months, which is halos karamihan naman. Pero ito, nakita ko may 36 months. So, I think goods to. And then, convenient payment channels. Okay, so, pwede kang post-dated checks and pwede rin namang mag over the counter sa mga bayad centers na nag-accept ng HSBC payments. Okay, loan fees and rates. So, ito daw yung mga mababawas sa inyong loan pag nag-apply kayo. So, merong processing fee na 1,500 pesos. Meron ding documentary stamp tax na nagkakalaga ng 0.75% of the drawn amount. Kunyari, ang loan amount mo ay about 250,000 pesos, then dun lang magkakaroon ng 0.75% na documentary stamp tax. Pero kung less than 250,000 pesos, well, exempted ka sa pagbabayad ng documentary stamp tax. And then, kapag gusto mong ipabago yung loan contract mo, merong amendment fee na 500 pesos. And also, kung na-late ka, which is huwag kayo malilate, merong 36% per annum on overdue amount. So, yan yung makikita natin sa website ni HSBC for the personal loan. Now, some details kailangan natin i-discuss. Okay, so ano daw ba yung minimum and maximum amount na pwede nating mahiram dito kay HSBC? So, the minimum amount daw is 30,000 pesos and the maximum amount is 500,000 pesos or 3 times your gross salary, whichever is lower. Kung ano daw mas mababa, kunyari umabot ng 750,000 pesos, ang maximum na pwede mong mahiram lang ay 500,000 pesos. Parang gano'n. So, merong dito, sample calculation coming from HSBC na kanilang personal loan. Ang loan amount is 120,000 pesos. Ang loan term ay 6 months. And ang monthly amortization ay 21,063 pesos and 03 centavos. So, kung ika-calculate natin yan, 21,063.03 times 6 months, Ang total repayment natin ay 126,378.18. Minus natin yung principal amount na 120,000. Lalabas sa 6,378.18 ang interest rate ng utang natin. I-divide natin yan sa 120,000. Lalabas sa 5%, 5.31% for 6 months. Kukunin natin ang per annum nito at monthly. So, divide muna natin yan by 6 para makuha natin monthly add-on interest rate. Ayan, so lumalabas na 0.88% or 0.89% ang monthly add-on interest rate. Multiply natin yan by 12. Ayan, lalabas na around 10.63 ang annual percentage rate. Mababa kasi 10% lang ang annual percentage rate niya. Kasi nga, lalo na kapag nakuha mo yung pinakamababang offer na 0.65%. So, sino ba ang pwede mag-apply dito kay HSBC for a personal loan? So, pwede mag-apply syempre yung mga empleyado, yan, employees, and then mga self-employed din. For employees, kailangan nyo lang ng proof of identity, proof of income, and proof of residence. Also, you need to be a resident for at least 3 years na dito sa Metro Manila, Bulacan, Pampanga, Metro Cebu, Cavite, Davao City, and Rizal. Kailangan 21 years of age ka na upon loan application. Yung monthly gross income mo ay nasa minimum ng 14,000 pesos, which is marami naman ng mga empleyado ngayon, ang sahod ay more than 14,000 pesos. So, and then, kung self-employed ka naman, minimum na gross income mo ay 50,000 pesos. And then, if you want to apply, you may need to go over sa branches ng mga HSBC. Also, there's a note from HSBC na, siyempre, the longer the term, the higher the interest you're going to pay. So, kailangan mong pag-isipan kung okay lang ba sa'yo magbayad ng mas malaking interest o mas okay sa'yo yung mababa yung binabayaran mo on a monthly basis. So, now na nakita natin yung calculation ni HSBC, well, how does HSBC compare with the personal loans na na-review na natin? So, lalabas na muna na si HSBC sa ating review ng mga personal loan. At 10.63% na unahan niya si BPI. So, pangalawa na si BPI, sunod na si CIMB, PPO, Metrobank, Union Bank, Personal Loan, East West, Ion Credit, si Revi Credit, and then yung mga credit cards. For our question of the day, ano mas tinitingnan nyo when taking out a loan? Mas nagko-concentrate ba kayo sa total na interest na babayaran nyo o dun sa monthly na amount or monthly amortization na babayaran nyo? Siyempre, titingnan nyo kung kaya nyo ba yun or hindi, di ba? So, alin dun sa dalawa? Let me know sa comment section sa baba para may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag Road to 75k subs and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance naman na manalo ng cellphone sa ating 75k milestone. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at LDB Legaspi 6921. Sabi niya, Sir, thanks sa vid mo. Big help. Stress na din po ako sa mga OLA. Paano ba ako makakaiwas sa mga harassment ng OLAs? At LDB Legaspi 6921, thank you po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos sa aking channel. Sana malagpasan nyo yung mga paghihirap nyo with online lending apps. Yun lang naman po. Maraming salamat. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you can subscribe para ma-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again, guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!